In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type in Adobe Acrobat. Adobe Acrobat is a powerful tool for managing PDF documents, and knowing how to type and edit text within a PDF can greatly enhance your productivity and flexibility when working with this format. To get started, once you open Adobe Acrobat, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you'll be presented with a couple of options that will guide your workflow. You can either create a new document or jump back into a piece of work you've already touched. For today's demonstration, we'll focus on accessing your recent work. This approach is handy if you've been juggling multiple projects and want to quickly dive back into editing. Upon selecting your recent work, you'll see your document open right before you. Now, an essential tip here. Remember that PDFs are essentially images of documents. So, regular typing doesn't quite work the same. Instead, Adobe Acrobat provides an array of tools to allow you to interact with your document effectively. Now, direct your attention to the text you wish to edit. Adobe Acrobat allows you to click directly on the section of text you're interested in. It's a convenient feature that streamlines the editing process and keeps it intuitive. By clicking on this text, Acrobat essentially creates a text box around it, making it ready for any changes you need to implement. This method provides you with a seamless bridge between viewing and editing mode. Next, you'll want to make those changes pop by tweaking the style. At the top of your screen, you'll notice options labeled Tools and Edit. These are your gateways to customizing the text. Once you click on either of these options, it opens up a world of formatting possibilities. You can change the font to give your text a new personality, or adjust the size to ensure it's clearly visible and fits the layout you desire. This feature ensures that whatever your needs, aesthetics, readability, or emphasis, they are just a few clicks away from being met. A tip for all users is to familiarize yourself with various fonts and sizes that Acrobat offers. Picking a font style ahead of time can save you moments chipping away at perfecting the document's look in post-editing. You don't just get a document that looks good, but one that's legible and functional too. To wrap it up, working with text in Adobe Acrobat doesn't have to be daunting. With this guide, jumping into your recent work, selecting sections to edit, and fine-tuning your document's appearance is straightforward and efficient. Don't hesitate to explore the tools and edit options further to unleash the full potential of what your document can become. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and I hope these steps help you harness Adobe Acrobat's full capabilities with ease.